How to hide and unhide activity status on your REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide or unhide activity status on your REDnote app. So let us begin. The first thing you will need to do is open up your REDnote app. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you've done that, head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right corner. After you're on your profile page, you will need to head over to the settings. To head over to settings, you'll find a gear icon right beside the edit profile option. Tap on the gear icon and now you're on the settings page. Now before we move on with this forward, if you guys are new to Net Nimble, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Now let's continue. Head over to privacy settings, and after you're on privacy settings, under interaction section, you'll find activity status. Tap on it and now you will see that you have three different options. First is you can make it publicly visible, that is you can unhide activity status. So if you want to make it visible to all, simply select that. Now the other option is if you want to make it visible to your friends. Now friends are those people that you follow back and they are also your followers. So if you want to make it visible to them, simply select the second option. Now, if you want to hide your activity status from everyone, simply tap on the third option that is called off. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. And that is all for the video, guys. That is how you hide or unhide activity status on your REDnote app. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.